day, everybody. Good day, my friends. It's a very good day today. I'm about to fly to a country. It's a country that you people like also. So being in a hurry, trying to meet up with everything, I was not able to calculate very well, and one of my documents is missing. I forgot COVID text, and without it, I don't think they will let me inside the airport. Not even talk about a flight. And I have like 40 minutes before I get to my flight. As you can see, I just stand back and I'm going back to my home to get this paper. Then after that, I will continue my way to the airport. Just pray for me that I don't miss this flight. Pray for me. Guess what, guys? I was able to make it, I guess. So I'm going to check in now and see if I'll be able to go right in. And this is the airport of Zaporozhye, as you can see. We're just going to try to find somewhere to check in. I'm just checking in. I was able to check in and everything went well. So I'm just waiting for the flight time to come. You can see other people are waiting. I made it, but the guy that was supposed to come to pick me up, he's not here, and I'm kind of stranded. I just have the address of the hotel, but nobody have come to pick me up, and I've been waiting for so many minutes with other people here, so I'm worried. We are trying now. It's already 12. It's already 12:30 already in the night, as you can see.
It's okay, we can go.
Oh, you okay? Let's go. I found it finally, guys. Let's go.
Nice.
So guys, guess what? I just made it to a taxi. The taxi guy came to pick me and he just put me and have some VIP treatment. I made it to the hotel. It's not bad, it's good. So I just arrived here to catch the vehicle. There is no food. The food canteen is closed, so I guess I have to go outside to eat. I'm already like in the city. 2:15. I can't sleep. The food that they gave me in the airplane is fucked up. So I made it to a restaurant and it's a very nice place, I guess. My food just arrived. So I ordered some ribs with some katoshka. That's potatoes, spinach, rice, and what is this? I don't really know, but I guess I have to try. I just got back from the restaurant, took my shower, and I'm relaxing. So guys, it's a very beautiful day today. I'm about to start my going around the city. I'm already late.
Kadir bak buradan şu arabacı çıkıyor solda hemen bizim otel.
Evet tamamdır abi eyvallah.
It is $250 you have to give.
Ah, life's there.
Yes.
I have.
You have?
Yeah, I have life.
Turkcell.
Not Turkcell, Lifestyle.
Lifestyle is not working here.
Ya aynı şey.
Ceketini karşıda var mı abi?
Karşı makine var.
Başka. On the machine we have to buy some with this.
Okay.
Kart basıyor musun? Nasıl abi? Kart basar mısın? Kart basma yok abi. In one time you can use this one for the tram. Come with me.
Where am I gonna stop?
I can show you right now.
Oh, okay. Here Sultanahmet?
No, next station.
Okay, thank you. I just met with my tourist guy. He's gonna show me around the city. Where are we now? In Sultanahmet area, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hypodrome area actually.
Okay. Just got to the tourist area. We're just going to the restaurant now. After we're done with the restaurant, the tour will begin. I'm already late. First time I enter tramway. How are you? You came to drink some chai with us. We're gonna meet our tour guide. He's already here, so we're going into the bus and we're gonna go to some different places. He said no food, no drink. So right now we're going to the market. We're gonna try to see around. Inside here, you can see something. It's a very nice area. Oh my God, look at God. These are actually really good. I want to buy something for my mom.
The man is going to help you.
I want to buy something for my mother.
For your mother.
Mother, yeah. Like earrings.
Earrings, like the stone.
Yeah, like something.
Come here, please.
What do you think? Give me this, okay?
Okay. Tamam da.
Yeah. It already started raining. Now we're going to have our bus ride. Explaining to where we need to go.
We have got 3 bridges. 1, 2, 3 bridge.
We have to pass this 3 bridge.
We're gonna pass the blue line. We're gonna follow the blue line.
Okay, there's something to eat and also. So guys, I'm gonna try this corn. What is the name?
Chestnut.
Chestnut?
Yes.
Chestnut. So this thing I tried, it is very nice, and so I'm gonna try the corn also and see how it is. Oh my God. So guess what? I'm just waiting here. I'm gonna try to use the tram. They call it tram station. That is what I'm gonna use. I have to get to a Lalili station from what they say. So I'm already in the train now.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
It's been a very, very long day. We did a lot of things, but it was worth it. We went to Bus Cross, went to the market, went to the mosque, went to the center square. I'm literally tired. So as I was coming back, I was offered a massage and a spa. Let's go to massage. First off, I'm going to do a sauna, then after I'll do peeling, then after we'll do massage. This is the beautiful girl who's gonna do my massage. Jamilia. So she's gonna do everything for me. Hello guys, I just finished my massage. Now I'm in my sauna. Another type of, this one is Russian type of sauna. So I'm just chilling, getting hot. It's very, very hot in here. I'm just going to enjoy myself throughout this trip and have some fun. Whew, как душно, но it's worth it.